everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to enable send when online option on Telegram, in today's video, we are going to go ahead and guide you through the process. So let's get started. Open up the Telegram application for that and make sure that you are using the latest version to have this feature on your Telegram. Now, what you can do is once you open up the Telegram application, you can navigate to the chat with the person that you want to send a message to. And once you navigate to the chat, here you just need to type out your message in the chat. So right now I have typed in this message. You can type in the message that you would like to send. And once you do so, in order to enable it, all you gotta do is need to hold down the send button instead of tapping it. So you can find the send button, hold it up. And once you hold it up, a menu appears on your screen. You can select the option of scheduling a message, or you will be even finding the option of send when online from the subsequent menu. So you can select that option. And when you select the option, the message will be scheduled and it will be scheduled until that particular person is online. So if that person is online, the person will be receiving the text messages that you have edited for sending it when the person will be online. And that's it. To use this feature, both you and the recipient must have your last seen privacy settings to my contacts or everybody to ensure that you can see each other's status. And the send when online option will only appear if you can view the recipient's online status. And that's it. So therefore, if you want to enable the send when online option, you may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.